Okay, and let me know once the screen is visible.
Yeah, Kalpana, it's visible.
Okay. Okay. Today's agenda is like record level sharing. We had till now seen object level sharing, like we were giving the permissions for like exactly one object. For example, students object we were taking and doing all the record like sharing for the entire object. But now what we are doing is record level sharing. For example, if I have created a record, I wanted to share to someone who is not part of my profile or permission set. Okay, so here the first way is role wise sharing. So in role wise sharing, how we can do? Again, in role wise, we have two options. One is role hierarchy, and the other one is sharing rules. Today we'll speak about the role hierarchy. Okay. So, for example, there are two departments. In Fin department, there are three juniors. Okay. In the same way, there is one more department, marketing. There are again three more juniors. So, one senior came from finance department and he is asking the juniors, okay, till now what you people have done the work, can you show me? So, what does that junior people do in normal scenarios, like in your office and all? Will junior show the records or whatever the work they have done to seniors? Hmm?
Yes, Kalpana.
Yeah. So in real time, that is how it works. So because obviously everyone are reporting to their team lead or manager. So if they ask me what you have done, obviously I have to show that I have done this, and they can have full access on our work. Okay. In the same way, same senior from finance department went to marketing department juniors and asking, what work you have done for today? Can you show me? So will these people show to the senior of finance department? Yes, no.
Maybe no, Kalpana, because he is from other department. No?
Exactly. So that's how it is working. Even like someone from other department, we will not be able to show. So juniors will tell, yeah, we respect you, you are a senior, but this is not part of your department, so we will not even like will not show our records. Neither we will show at least what we have done, or not even our logo also, because it is department entirely different department. Why should we show the details to the other department senior? No. But in some cases, CEO, he's the owner of entire company. So CEO came and asked for the details of finance department. Will those people give?
Yes, Kalpana.
Yeah. And even marketing department?
Yeah, marketing department also do.
Yes, of course, because he is like a scene. He is the owner, and he has all the rights on the entire organization, that is Salesforce. For example, Salesforce, which we are having no the account, that is a company. So CEO is a role, so he should be having the access to entire company. So obviously, everyone has to share the records to CEO. So in Salesforce also the same facility, the same concept is given by Salesforce for us to follow the same things. Like Salesforce, like this concept is known as role level hierarchy, and role and internal subordinates. So many names they will call, but role is the only thing we have to remember. So, for example, we have junior engineer, and manager of him is senior engineer. So now will junior engine like senior engineer will be able to see the, like, has all the records to his junior engineer access. In the same way now, senior associate engineer is top of both these two people. Can senior associate engineer have the access to records of junior engineer? Will this person able to see his records?
Local.
Why? No, he is
Because
direct.
senior,
Huh? Tell me.
because senior associate is a visible access. No.
No, no. The thing is like, see, junior engineer is directly reporting to this person, and he is
Okay.
reporting directly to this person. So this person will have all the rights on this person's records. In the same way, this person will
Okay.
have the records of this person. But since he is like on top of his role, he is now able to access both the records, his junior and junior subordinates. Okay.
Okay. Fine.
This is the, so we'll see a example in the Salesforce how we can create the roles and how we will be able to see it. Okay. You have to, like, your friend is set up, from there find like quick find box, their roles, click on it. So here they have a diagram so you can understand how it is working. See here, the diagram is like this. So one person will be at the highest level. So from there, the data will be flowing like this: western sales to western sales rep, again here to here, here to here. Okay. So now you tell me, will this person able to access these records? Sales director can access sales rep, is it right or no?
Yes, correct. You can
Yes.
access.
Correct. So it is because like it is, he is a direct manager of this person, so he'll be able to. But now tell me, will like sales director has the like western sales director has access of eastern sales rep? Is it possible?
No.
Yeah,
No,
correct.
correct.
Exactly. It is not possible because departmental access is secured here. So now CEO is the owner of the company. He is at the top level. So will he be able to see these records?
Yes.
Yes, of course, yes. So
Yes,
now
correct.
the data is flowing like this. And now one more question. So this person will be able to access these records. Is it true or false? Western sales director is able to access Eastern sales director records.
No, correct. No. False.
Exactly, because both, like all three people are in the same level. So why this people, like this person will show his records to this person? This is not correct, no? And that too, their department is different and same position, so it is not possible. Okay, only these things can be controlled in the role. So we'll now set up the role. See now, whatever the company name you have given, no, it will come at the top. At the down, you have to define your own roles. Okay. So there are so many set of roles here already given by Salesforce. So if you want, you can like delete all the roles and create all the things from the scratch. But as of now, I am not like deleting anything. But for the like understanding of our thing, we'll try to have another look. So now CEO is at the top. Under him everything is coming. So you can see the hierarchy here. No, until this level it is the hierarchy. Like this it is there. Okay, these four roles are under CEO. Now what we will do is, for testing purpose, we will create like for CFO role we will add Tom. Okay, so he is senior, and under him we will add one more role which is assistant to CFO, and will assign Kalpana. Because I am having admin access, if I am at the top it is of no use, no, I'll be able to see however. Okay, so now we'll, for assigning, what we have to do, we have to just go here, assign, and now here you have to search for all users. So from all the users you can take and add it. So for CFO role, which person should be there?
Tom.
Hmm. Okay, save it, done. Okay, now CFO is Tom, and now we'll add one role uh, under the CFO. See, this role reports to CFO. Okay, the role name is assistant to CFO. Okay, a role name it will take automatically. What should be the role name as displayed in reports? Sometimes the higher manager can create the reports of lower, like junior peoples also. So at that time, what should be the name, display name? So this is the one. Save. So previously we had another way of assigning, no? So we'll see one more way here. We have created a role, and here you can assign users. From here also you will be redirected to same page. See? Now you have to search for all users. Now I'll assign Kalpana as the junior and save. Okay, done. No? So for cross checking, you can go to users and see what is the role. Okay, see here now roles have come. No, Kalpana is Tom. Sorry, Tom is CFO and Kalpana is assistant to CFO. Okay, so now what is the expectation, guys? Whatever the records Kalpana has created should be having the permissions to Tom also, because he is direct manager of Kalpana. Okay, so before that, what we will do is, to understand this concept better, we will clear everything. So OWD is private. Okay, profile, we will just give basic permissions. What are the basic permissions, guys?
Great.
Yeah. What is full form of CRED? Create, read, edit, and delete.
Delete.
Yeah, exactly. And now in permission sets, nothing. Okay? Because permission set is for adding, no? So nothing here. And now role. Okay. Role Tom is manager of Kalpana. Okay. Means Tom is like Kalpana is directly reporting to Tom. So this is a confusing statement for you. Okay, done. So now what is the expectation, guys? Can Tom see the records of Kalpana? Yes.
Yes,
No.
Kalp.
Okay. So we'll see how it is working. We'll log in as Tom now. Students, no, we were speaking about. So we'll see. No items are there. Why is it so? Okay, we'll try to create a record for Tom. Okay. Now owner is Tom. Now tells yeah, teacher. See. We are able to see records of Storm, but not Kalpana's. Okay. Why is it so? You might be surprising because the one thing which we had discussed, like while creating OWD, I had ignored one of the column. I said that I'll be explaining in the future classes, so we'll have a look there. Okay. What should we search, guys, for OWD?
Sharing settings, Kalp.
Brilliant. Very good, guys. And here you can even search your object. So here I said no, grant access using hierarchies. This checkbox, if it is not checked, even though if you make all the necessary changes for roles, it is not applicable. Okay. So now we'll see by editing the access. See here, this one was I wantedly unchecked before this class. So now you will be able to understand, no? You will remember this. Without that, you have nothing to do with the role specifications and manager direct reporting and all. Okay. Now it is done. I will log into Tom. Okay. Now see you are able to see all the records, which includes Kalpana's records also. See here. Now we'll try to delete a record. Like first we are able to see the records. Okay. And next is can we edit the records? What is the expectation, guys? Now we have written one custom validation rule. Okay. Okay, sorry. We had written one. Okay. The school is open for just 8 hours. Okay. Now because of role hierarchy, we are able to read the junior records and edit the junior records, and now we'll see how we can delete or not. Yes, we are able to delete. So now you people has to remember, you have to remember is you are able to read, edit and delete also. So what are the permissions provided for the junior level records in the role hierarchy is red. You can remember as red. Red means read, edit and delete. Okay, understood guys?
Yes, correct. Yes, correct.
Okay, so now we'll have a small example type. So now CEO Sham, secretary to CEO is Ram, assistant secretary to CEO is Bhim. Can Sham see records of Ram?
Yes. Yes, Kalpana.
Yes, correct answer. Because CEO has the permissions on everyone's record. Okay. And can Sham see records of Bhim?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. The same reason. Okay. It is a famous interview question, guys. So Raj is direct manager of Tom. Tom created the record, yet Raj is not able to see the records of Tom. Why? We just now saw, no?
Maybe Raj not given the Aurora hierarchy access.
Exactly. One. The other one is we should be having the basic access either in profile or cred, like profile or permission set. We have to provide the basic access, that is cred, on the object. Okay. Only if these two are there, then only the records will be shared based on the record wise, like hierarchy wise. Okay. And yeah, this is for you guys. Object is student, users are Harry and Larry. OWD is PRW, profile is cred is equal to no, this also no, no, no. Harry is senior to Larry. Can Harry see records of Larry?
Yes, Kalpana.
Okay. And others guys?
Yes.
Okay. Two, three answers still remaining, guys. Everyone should answer. There is no harm if it is wrong or right. There are only two options. No, you can just say yes, no, that's all. Hmm? Okay. So the thing is, I just explained, no? One main important thing is granting access via like hierarchy, that is one, and the other one is CRED, basic access either on profile or permission set. If this or this either one is not there, records will not be shared even though role or OWD are there. Okay. So now CRED is not there in profile wise or even permission set wise. So we are not able to share the records. Okay. We'll see that also here. What we will do right now for testing, guys? Hmm? What I have to do now? Okay, I'll go to Tom's profile and I'll revoke access on student. that is cred. Okay, we'll remove the cred. Done. Save. Without cred, see, the tab is only not visible because no permissions on the student records. Okay. Hmm? Yeah, guys.
Yes, okay.
Okay. So you understood, no? Now, without basic access and role hierarchy, we will not be able to do this. This is done. So now one more question for you. Tell me, WD is private, profile cred no, and permission said yes, and no. Harry is senior to Larry. Will Harry see the records of Larry? Hmm? No answer.
No, Kalpana. You can see Kalpana. Permission set cred is given.
Mm-hmm. And others, guys?
No.
Okay, it's S. Because the two things I said, one is assumption that is hierarchy is there because of that only role we are just explaining. And the other one is even though private, OWD, and cred basic permissions are provided by permission set. So both are yes, yes. So even though OWD is not matter here, just cred is mattered, role is there. So yes, he will be able to see and edit, delete, everything is done here when cred is there. Okay. So one more question now. Now tell me.
No, Kalpana. No, Kalpana.
Okay. And others, girls?
Hierarchy access is no. But
Hmm? Yes, Karthik? Okay.
sorry, Kalpana. My mic was on. I was talking to myself.
Okay, okay. So whatever answer was correct. No, because If we are not granting access via hierarchy, so it's of no use if we provide the CRED or OWS, OWDs, PRW or anything. So of no use. Okay. I know these are tricky. So day by day, when you start working on things, it will become normal, and you will be able to understand. Okay. This is all about roles, guys. So now we'll understand about one more type of sharing. So one more type of sharing is sharing rules. The time is not that sufficient, so we are left with 10 minutes. So meanwhile, we'll see one more type of record level sharing, which is manual sharing. Okay, this manual sharing is something when a scenario is there, like I have created one of the record that is not shared via the OWD or profile or permission set or even roles. At that time, what I have to do is I can directly share to any of the person. For example, we'll see now. So this is not directly possible, no. These records will not be shared to this person if role by the role, and I have not added any extra permission set for this person, like all the records of this should be shared and all. So at that moment, I just want one record to be shared with only one person or group of people. At that time, what we will do is we will directly share that record. Okay, if it is for only one record, not like entire all the records of Tom, all the records of Sham. Instead of that, only one particular person's, then we can do it. Okay. So what is our application, guys?
Equal.
So now what we will do is we will grant hierarchy is there, no? We'll just turn it off now. Since we do not have other like other users in our team and all in our org, we are just trying out in the same. Okay, so we are not giving access from this grant access. Okay, everything is private, no data is shared to Tom. Okay, now what I'll do is I have created many records, so we'll create a new record, guys. Kalpana, manual sharing record. Okay, so now we'll log into Tom and see whether he is able to see that record or not. First thing, what is the record ID? It is 017. Okay, we'll try for searching. Okay, we have removed the cred, no? I'll just give cred and then we'll see. Okay, I think it logged out. Sometimes happens, guys, when we are logged into other user and more frequently when we are changing, so it might log out us directly. Okay. Okay, so now we should be able to see at least students tag. Okay, now it is visible. You can see only records which were created by Tom are visible, but not records which are created by Kalpana. Okay, because we have not shared it via profile or permission set or even role. Okay, and even OWD. Okay, so now what we will do is we will log out as Tom and share the record manually. Okay, okay. Now there is an option here sharing. Okay, click on sharing. You can search a user or queue like public group role and subordinates. Everything can be shared, but only one record is possible, guys. Okay, now I'll just share with one user, that is Tom. What is the access level you wanted to give? So read only is enough, and this permission will be there until and unless you will revoke it from the same place. Okay, save it. See, only one record has been shared, but that too it will be for only reading purpose and no editing is possible. Okay, done, guys. This is how manual sharing works. So you can control the access, that is for only read and write, but not, yeah, we'll see that also. Just give me a moment. You will be showed here. We'll change the access and save. Okay, and now we'll log out. think we will be logged out soon. So before that, I'll finish. So no need of logging in again because one more, which is a bigger part, so we will not be able to cover. So I have not showed you. So now editing is possible. That is understood. What we are going to try is delete, whether delete works or not. Okay, understood why? Because from manual sharing, you are just permitting read and write, so no delete can be handled. But if we are giving the permissions from the profile or permission set, then you are able to delete the record also. Okay, and role also. Role, permission set, and profile will have the access of delete also when we are providing the access from all those things. But from OWD and manual sharing, and one more is sharing rules, we will not be able to provide delete access. Okay, okay, this is for today, guys. We are done with the class. Everything is clear, right? Any doubts?
No, Kalpana.
Okay, and others?
No, Kalpana.
Okay, so now, guys, it is very crucial. You have to start working on the things. You should start practicing and studying because we don't know, like, when we join the company, as soon as we join, we'll be deployed into the project. So it is risky. So it's better we will prepare it by like within the hand, and then we'll start working. Okay. Okay, guys, happy Sunday. We'll catch you on tomorrow morning. Okay, bye bye.
Bye, Kalpana.